గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీ కుమారి బిందుస్ ఫ్యాషన్ వరల్డ్ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు మీకు ఈ లిటిల్ కృష్ణ యొక్క హెచ్డి వాల్ పేపర్ని ఈ వాల్ మీదకి, అంటే ఎదురుగుండా పింక్ కలర్ వాల్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, ఈ వాల్ మీదకి ఎలా వేస్తారు అన్న ఒక మంచి వీడియో నేను మీకు అరేంజ్ చేశాను. తప్పకుండా చూసి ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. వాల్ పేపర్ ఆఫ్ లిటిల్ కృష్ణ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ టు దిస్ వాల్. ఇట్ విల్ బి అటాచ్డ్. We have done some little designs, but we are not satisfied with these designs. That's why we are removing it and attaching this customized little Krishna wallpaper. This is a big wallpaper, customized wallpaper. It's now looking in halfway. The full is like this wall only. The gum has been readied. Still the attachment must be going on. The gum has been applied to this wallpaper. This is an HD wallpaper of small Sri Krishna. Slowly the gum has been applying to this paper to fixed to the wall so that it may not come outside or fall. This is a putty wall and a colored wall. It must be applied carefully and then fixed it. It must be done very carefully. There my dosa is going on to complete my tiffin. Meanwhile I am standing near the wallpaper work. The wallpaper is ready to be fixed on the putty wall. The gum has been applied very carefully so that it may be sticked to the putty wall. After applying the special gum which is used to this type of HD wallpapers, the small little Krishna wallpaper, HD wallpaper is ready to be fixed on the wallpaper. It's not wallpaper, it's on the wall. They are trying to do very carefully so that bubbles or air gaps must not be appeared on the wallpaper. They are checking all the paper if any bubbles or gums are coming within like a balloons, so that it may be cleared, so that they are scratching means not peeling out, it's just scratching with a blade type instrument, so that extra gum will be coming out from the picture, and cutting the edges of the wallpaper so that extra gum and extra paper will be cutted off from the edge walls and ceiling walls. You can see the extra gum is removing by that man who has done all this work. The second part of the Krishna is also ready, and it is already gummed, and the wall is also gummed with the special gum they use, not the daily gum they will use the special gum which is made by themselves only when they appear to our flats or houses. The second part of the little Krishna is also being attached, and seeing carefully that the face must not be distracted, so that it is correctly fixed in the center of the picture. The face must appear very nicely. You can see the face it is appearing very good from here also. checking out the bubbles inside the wallpaper. This wallpaper I have uploaded for you to see. It's a very good option to keep for us who started doing some new flats things. If we take these type of decisions, the entire wall will be looking very good and very exciting. Every morning we can see this wallpaper and feel very excited on the morning itself. Seeing Lord Krishna's face, it is very exciting to me every morning. I feel very energetic and very free to do my daily things. His face looks very good to me because I like little Krishna's face very much. So that's why I booked this type of picture. This blue shirt man is the person who brought these pictures to a life. I asked him if I can show his face if he is interested, but he said no, I don't want to reveal my face. So that he didn't pull out his mask throughout the video. This is the person you can see in brown shirt is my husband Shankar Garu, and he's talking about something about the picture only. The finalization of the picture, removing the bubbles inside the picture is going on. You can see the wall which is in the pink color. The man making this freeing the bubbling side only. You can see the wall. That wall is also being fixed with another type of designed wallpaper has been attached. Don't go away, friends. You can watch this also. You can see the pink wall from here only, side of the picture of little Lord Krishna. You can see that pink wall is also been attached with some extra design wallpaper. This idea is also this person's idea is that it will be continued picture if we attach some running wallpaper to this pink wall. Okay friends, I am thinking that my life experience will be good to you to watch and also decide some things which I am doing may be helpful to you. My channel is bringing all these type of things so that these are all my life experience. This is not a sponsored video or not an advertisement. This is something which I am doing in my flat. I picturized all this because this may be helpful to you in your life and your flat. If it is new flat, you can plan for this. Little Krishna's full HD wallpaper has been over. You can see little Krishna's face is very excited and very calmness and very delightful. I am very happy with this wallpaper. If you like this video, please do check my channel for other videos also. They may be helpful to you. If you like, make a nice thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel and like, share and comment. You can see I told about the wall, the pink wall. He adjusted this type of design in this also. That thing I am saying from when. You can see, do check my other videos also. They are also, I am making some recipes also, and my life experiences, and my daily activities also. You can watch it in my channel Bindu's Fashion World. Do check my other videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay friends, for today this is the video I want to show. I think this video brings a lot delightful to your life also. Thank you for now and watching my video.